How to add music on Instagram Notes. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the music on your Instagram Notes. So start by launching your Instagram application. After you open it, just slide to the right side and you will see there is the option of Note. When you tap on it, and you will see the option of music right here. Just tap on that and now you can simply tap on any music and then you can select it. When you tap on the browse, you will be seeing the browse of certain albums right here. You can also search for your favorite music. Like I will search for music and then it will show me the option of right here. Now to add it, let's just mute our music so that the sound won't disturb. Now I want to add this. I can also select the part of lyrics that I want to add. After selecting, just tap on the tick option and tap on the share option right here. And just like this, you have shared music on your Instagram note. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below.